Hello, welcome to this lovely school by the name of the Central Girls Vocational School. It is located in Masunkwe, Zirowe, Luero district. This is kind of a very special school in that it was created for the young girls who have experienced emotional pain, physical pain, sometimes abuse, and somehow they got pregnant and they've given birth to their lovely babies. But the school was created for them so that they can come and learn a skill, learn to do something for themselves. And as you can see, they've been able to make bags, they've been able to make dresses, trousers by their own hands. And all these go for a very minimal fee. If you want to support the school, you're more than welcome. Let us support the girls. The bags go for £10 only. The dresses can be ordered, and trousers from Bitengi. They make money passes. They are learning to do everything, and this is what we need in Uganda today, so that people can have a hope where they thought all hope had gone. So let us support them now. Let's support them today and make Uganda great. When you support a woman, you're supporting a nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you.